Natural remedies for knee pain can provide relief and improve the overall health of your knees without resorting to medication or surgery. These methods aim to address the underlying causes of knee pain and promote healing. Here are 7 effective natural ways to treat knee pain. 1. Exercise and physical therapy. Regular exercise, particularly targeted exercises and physical therapy, can help alleviate knee pain. Strengthening the muscles around the knee can provide additional support and reduce strain on the joint. Low-impact exercises such as swimming, cycling, and water aerobics are excellent options. Physical therapists can create customized exercise routines that focus on improving knee function, flexibility, and stability. 2. Weight management. Excess weight can contribute to knee pain, as it places additional stress on the joint. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce the load on your knees. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key components of weight management. Consult with a nutritionist or fitness expert to create a personalized plan that suits your needs. 3. Cold and heat therapy. Applying cold and heat to the affected knee can provide pain relief and reduce inflammation. Cold therapy, using ice packs, can help numb the area and reduce swelling. Heat therapy, such as warm compresses or heating pads, can increase blood flow, relax the muscles, and ease stiffness. It's essential to use these therapies in moderation and consult a healthcare professional for guidance, especially if you have a pre-existing condition. 4. Natural supplements. Certain natural supplements can help manage knee pain and promote joint health. Glucosamine and chondroitin are popular options, as they support cartilage and reduce pain and stiffness. Turmeric, due to its anti-inflammatory properties, can also be beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can reduce inflammation. Always consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating supplements into your routine to ensure they are safe and appropriate for your specific situation. 5. Topical creams and ointments. Topical creams and ointments can provide temporary relief from knee pain. Over-the-counter options may contain ingredients like menthol, capsaicin, or salicylates, which help dull pain sensations. Some natural remedies include arnica, which has anti-inflammatory properties, or CBD-based products that can offer pain relief. Be sure to follow the instructions on these products and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or are unsure about their use. 6. Epsom salt soaks. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, can be added to warm bathwater for soothing knee pain. Magnesium is known for its muscle-relaxing and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate discomfort and reduce muscle tension. Soak your knees for 15 to 20 minutes in an Epsom salt bath to experience relief. However, if you have skin conditions or allergies, consult with a healthcare provider before using Epsom salt. 7. Acupuncture and acupressure. Acupuncture and acupressure are ancient techniques that can effectively relieve knee pain. Acupuncture involves inserting tiny needles into specific points on the body, while acupressure uses pressure on these same points. Both methods aim to promote the body's natural healing mechanisms, improve blood flow, and reduce pain. Many people have found these therapies to be helpful for knee pain relief, but it's crucial to consult with a trained and licensed practitioner. Incorporating a combination of these natural remedies can often yield the best results. It's essential to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. So be patient and open to trying different approaches. Here are some additional tips for managing knee pain naturally. While natural remedies can be effective in managing knee pain, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider, particularly if your pain is severe, persistent, or the result of an injury. They can help diagnose the underlying cause of your knee pain and provide appropriate treatment recommendations. Always prioritize your health and well-being by seeking expert advice when needed.